What is going on, everybody? Ivan here, and today we're going to cover one of the most powerful solutions for any type of documents, pdfFiller. Now, if you guys have ever worked with any type of document that you need to sign, a lot of times it's such a big headache. That's where pdfFiller comes in clutch because it has one centralized platform where you can modify documents or add pretty much anything you guys want. So today we're going to be doing a step-by-step walkthrough through the platform to show you guys how it works, all of its features, and even pricing. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now, if you guys do want to follow along with everything that I'm doing, there's going to be an exclusive link down below for a free trial of the platform so you guys can go ahead and try it for yourself. Now, once you guys click on the link, this is actually going to be the screen you see where you can go ahead and upload any document you guys want. Just for example purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this random document right over here that I found on the internet, and boom, it's loading up, and there we have it. This is a lorem ipsum document. It's a bunch of random generated text, and if we scroll down here, it's going to be a couple pages long. Now, as you guys see right over here on the top panel, there's going to be different options there for us, ranging from text to signature, initials, erase button, image, check marks, crosses, whatever you guys want. The coolest part about this, again, this document is randomly generated text that I found, right? It's going to be a PDF file, is that we can go ahead and edit it to make it whatever we want. So for example, I can go ahead and edit this line to, I like cookies. We can go ahead and make that. You guys get the point. What I'm trying to show here is you can literally make this into anything you guys want, which is really difficult when it comes to PDF documents. So in addition to that, if I want text to be anywhere under that, all I need to do is select the text box right over here up top, and I can go ahead and type this right over here, whatever I want, right? If I want to add a text here, I can do the exact same thing. And if you guys want to edit the text and the way it looks like, it's very straightforward. You guys can go ahead and select the font, the size, if it's bolded, italicized, whatever you guys want. And in a way, it's kind of like a Google Doc where the platform makes it really easy for you guys to modify this document. So if you guys are ever working with any type of contract or a lease agreement or any type of document whatsoever, I would highly recommend to use pdfFiller because in addition to signing the thing or modifying it, it's really easy just to work within one centralized platform that has everything when it comes to documents. And if you guys want to upload your own document, it's very simple to do. Just press merge or upload, where you can either merge it with another document or upload a new one. And if you guys are sending it to somebody else, you can also add a watermark to your document, as you can see right here on the right hand side, or even add different fields that need to be filled out. I currently manage the property that I live in, and this is a really clutch tool when it comes to modifying leases and subleases for our tenants. Now, what happens if I want to export this document? All you guys got to do is press down right over here, and there's going to be multiple options here for you guys, ranging from e-signature to even sending it via email. Just for example purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and save it as a PDF. And as you guys see right over here, we do need to create an account. However, we are receiving a 30-day free trial, so you can really try out the platform. So let's go ahead and sign up with Google. I'm gonna use my email here, press continue. Awesome. Now we are gonna have a 30-day free trial, but we do need to select which plan we're gonna move forward with after those 30 days. And there's gonna be three options here for us: the basic, the plus, or the premium. Now, for most of you guys that are watching this video, I would highly suggest to go with the basic option just because it has most of the features that you guys need. Being able to access and modify the document from anywhere in the world is kind of the majority of the features that most people do use it for. So that's why I highly suggest the basic plan for most of you. However, if you guys do need access to reusable templates or fillable fields, those are only available within the plus category right over here. And in addition to that, the customer support team is going to be really excellent with that plan. So I would highly go into that if you do have a lot of technical problems. And if you guys want to go ahead and collect signatures with it and create automatic workflows, then I'd go for the premium version because that way it can automate a lot of you guys' processes and actually collect signatures for you guys all within one platform. And once you guys have signed up for an account, here's how your dashboard is going to look like. You guys are going to be able to see all of you guys' documents right over here, as well as all of you guys' templates or even contacts that we send it to. Now, outside of editing documents and collecting signatures, something that pdfFiller is really known for is their templates options, integrations, and analytics. So with templates, and you guys can find these right here on the left hand side, you can either upload it or create one from scratch. And that way, whenever you guys have a lot of people that need to go through the same document, you can actually create a template through it so you don't need to do it every single time manually. This is going to save you guys countless of hours of work because a template can live all inside of a platform, and all the information to who we send it to, and if they filled it out, is going to live inside the platform. And in addition to that, the second thing that I would really keep my eye on are going to be different integrations that the platform has. You can connect pdfFiller with platforms like Zapier or Google Drive, and that way a lot of things can be done automatically for you. And look, with all the options here, ranging from adding a blackout to a specific section to even adding a date, a table, a circle, cross, whatever it is, there's so much that the platform has to offer. If I were you, what I'd personally do is just play around with the platform and see if it's going to be a good fit for you guys' business. However, with pretty much any feature when it comes to documents being included in the platform, it's going to be a no-brainer for you guys to use it when it comes to you guys' documents. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough over the pdfFiller platform. It's a really powerful solution that allows you guys to keep everything in one centralized place when it comes to you guys' documents. And if you guys want to try out the platform for yourself, there's going to be an exclusive link down below in the description for you guys to try out the platform completely for free. Remember, on this channel, we'll make videos about different tools and platforms to help you guys start and grow your guys' business. And if you guys got some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, as it tremendously helps support the channel. Till next time, peace.